Hey everyone, what's going on? It's your boy Krebsy Crypto, and for today's video we're going to be unboxing the Intel Arc A380 6GB GPU. I ordered it like literally yesterday, and I believe, let's check the date for today. It is February 8th. I ordered it on February 7th and I got it here. I ordered it from Newegg, and it cost around $185 on sale Canadian, and it came to about $214 with tax and everything, and that is Canadian price. So I ordered it, I opened it up just to make sure it was the actual Intel Arc because I had a few packages coming, but I just moved the bubble wrap and just looked at the box. I haven't pulled anything else out, so I just figured to close her back up here and then we can just open it up here. So let's get started with doing that here. I haven't done too many reviews on GPUs for mining and such, so bear with me if this is a bit rough or, maybe it's not all the information you wanted. But as we see here, we're just going to remove this. We have the Intel Arc A380 box right here. So it's pretty cool, just like, Intel making a GPU, and, it's finally got my hands on it. It took a little bit to come to Canada, but Newegg finally has it. So let's pull it out of the box here. We'll move this aside for now, just down on the ground. So as we see, we'll take a nice look at it here. The Challenger ITX is by asrock, the Intel Arc A380. And as we see, we'll try to get the focus here a little bit. It's the Intel Arc 3 series, it's the overclocked edition. And yeah, so as we see, it's just a little single graphics card with a single fan. The power wattage I know is only about 75 watts at max, but I looked online for like mining and such, and it shows that roughly it's around 35 to 50 watts for mining, depending on like the settings you do use. But as we see here, let's take a look at the full scale of the box here. There's the side, and then there's the back side. So they make it small just for small system designs. But as we see, the Intel Arc A380 graphics, memory G DDR6, interface 3 display port, 1 HDMI. So obviously I'm not looking to use it for like my actual computer. I'll be using it for mining. And yeah, let's look at the other side here, so we get a good overall feel. And now we'll just pop it open and take a look at the actual card itself. So we'll just open it up here. But yeah, I might put it in this video of me actually setting it up on like my mining rig and my operating system, so that way we can actually see what it's capable of. But this just might be a review video only, and I might make it a separate video of me actually setting it up on the rig, going through the speeds and everything of the sort. So as we see here, and just to mind you, this is my first like brand new GPU that I've bought brand new like this, so I'm pretty excited. My other ones are all second hand. So we'll remove that, and there's the Intel Arc itself. So it's pretty nice to see that Intel is making a budget-friendly GPU compared to most companies that like charge an arm and a leg for even just like a 6GB model, let alone like an 8GB or something. So let's move that forward. So as we see, it's brand new in packaging here. I have not opened it yet. I'm pretty excited here. Let's remove this. And it's perfect. It's kind of like, if you see my post about it here, I reference it pretty much to the GTX 1650. It's pretty well just like a model like that. It's just a smaller one. My 1650 over there at the very end is just a 75 watt 4GB card. This is a 75 watt 6GB card. So something a little better. My first like big card. So we'll just pull it out here. I just wanted to pause it there just so we didn't have too much crinkling or background noise. So we'll take a look at it here. As we see, it's brand new, still has a film on it. I will be removing that. But yeah, overall, it's a very nice compact card. It has one 8-pin connector there just for power. So it doesn't take too much. Like I said, it's just a small 75 watt at max. But as we see it standing up here, trying to hold it as steady as I can. I am working on getting like a camera mount for my phone, so that way I can kind of have better angles and actually have steady looks and things. But as you see, all the ports there, all the plugs are still into it. Take a look at the back side here. And then as we see here, it's the A380 6GB model. So pretty good bang for the buck. I'll actually know once I hook it up in mine. But if you are looking just to use it for your own setup, and you're just looking at this video, this is obviously the best one for your buck. It seems like I haven't tested performance-wise, but it shows it keeps up with some of NVIDIA GTX, like 2060, 3060s, things of the sort. So I'm pretty stoked about this one to see what it's capable of for mining aspect-wise. Obviously, there's other versions. There's like dual fan versions. There's 8 GB versions. There's all different types. But this for $185, you can't go wrong for a 6 GB graphics card, even if you're using it for mining or even using it for its actual purpose of gaming and things of the sort. So overall, it seems like a very nice compact card, very well put together. It's a nice design. I like it just for the simplicity of it. I'm just going to remove that plastic film, and then we'll kind of have just a clearer look at it without that plastic film on it here. So here's an actual full look at it without the plastic filming on it. Yeah, I think I got it all. So try to get my best lighting here. So as we see, a nice simplistic design. It's nice all around, nice and compact. If it ends up being a solid mining card, it would be nice for a mining rig of these because A, they don't consume much power, and plus they're affordable, so it allows anyone to kind of get a beefier card for mining if they end up being good. And as we see, the Intel Arc. So it's nice to see Intel putting this out, and it's accessible in Canada, US, and all over pretty well now. Like I said, there is various models of it, but this is just the one I was able to pick up being in Canada. There were some other ones, but they were pushing like $400, $500. I just wanted to stick to a budget-friendly one. So I'll probably just leave it at that for this video. I just kind of wanted to unbox this and show you guys what this actually looks like for this version of it. Like I said, this is the ASRock Challenger version. A lot of different companies are using the Intel Arc technology and chips to make their own versions of graphics cards. So each of them might vary when it comes to mining performance or performance in general. But overall, this seems like a solid one for gaming too if you are looking to use it. As you see, there's some more of the specs if you are looking at it for a gaming purpose. But for a mining purpose, I'll be looking at it firsthand on another video to follow up on this one. I just wanted to get it opened up and show you guys what the Intel Arc actually looks like. And for myself too, my first brand new card, it being a little bit of a higher end card, you can say, compared to like my old 1060s and 1650. Now I can throw the 6 GB in the mix with my mining rig. But yeah, I'm just going to leave it at that for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe button. But I hope you all have an amazing day. And this is Krebsy Crypto, signing out.